This protocol aims explaining how to make a celadonite electron source. These sources have shown a long lifetime and their brightness are equivalent to that of field emission metal tips. Using this celadonite electron source in a projection microscope associated with an electrostatic lens makes it possible to work with a large source object distance. This prevents the source crash risk and image distortion by decreasing local field effect on the object.
To begin this procedure, insert the source into stainless steel tube with an inner diameter of 90 micrometers. Insert a tungsten wire with a diameter of 50 micrometers into the tube and roll the tube under a knife blade to cut it to the required length. Fix the source support underneath an optical microscope. Insert a 10 micrometer carbon fiber into the stainless steel tube and glue the carbon fiber to the tube with silver lacquer. Under a binocular microscope, use cutting tweezers to cut the fiber so that between 100 micrometers and 3 millimeters are left outside of the stainless steel tube. Next, grind the celadonite with a mortar and pestle. Weigh out 0.2 milligrams of celadonite powder and dilute it in 10 milliliters of deionized water. Place an ultrasound tip directly into the celadonite containing water and use an ultrasonic frequency of 30 kHz and a power of 50 watts for 30 seconds to break up the aggregates.